Good morning, children. Today we will do a topic from our writing section, that is invitations. We all know that invitation is a request to an individual to show his presence at an event like opening ceremony of shop, annual function of the school, or any social function like celebrations of birthday, engagement, wedding, marriage anniversary, promotion. And in this way we invite for so many other occasions. Now, invitation can be both formal and informal. Now, formal invitation is of two types. First is invitation card, and second one is formal invitation letter. Invitation cards, we all have seen, we get the invitation cards to attend the occasions, and formal invitation letter, it is given to the VIP who is invited to preside over a social, cultural, or educational function like on an investiture ceremony, sports day, or annual function of the school. We invite chief guest, or at an opening ceremony of showroom, people do invite celebrities. So these VIPs are invited through invitation cards along with the formal invitation letter. So card along with the invitation letter, formal invitation letter, it is given to the VIPs while inviting them. Coming to the next, second one is informal invitation. Now, informal invitations are given to the relatives, friends, dear ones with whom we have more personal and friendly relations. This invitation is like a personal letter. The tone is relaxed and friendly as the feelings and sentiments are expressed by the sender. Formal invitations are very polite. Now, these formal invitations are very polite, pleasant, and courteous, while the informal invitation, the tone is relaxed and friendly, and the sender can express his or her feelings and sentiments also. So, today in this video, we will do informal invitation. We will start with informal invitations. Now let's read the question and thereafter we will see what points to be taken care while writing the informal invitation. Now remember students, the word limit for the writing the invitation letter is 50 words. We should not exceed the word limit. Now let's read the question. Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT. He wants to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College, Nagpur, by throwing a party to his friends. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time, and date. Do not exceed 50 words. Now, look here. While starting the invitation letter, first we will write the address. Now here we will write sender's address only. Mostly the address is given in the question, but if it is not given, we will mention examination hall, XYZ city, if the address is not given in the question. Thereafter, date is mentioned, 14 May 2020. After that, there is no need of any subject. Subject is not required in informal invitation. No need of subject. Directly we can start with salutation, dear, and here we will write the name of the friend. Dear friend, whatever the name is. Sorry. You will be glad to learn that I have secured 80th rank in the CBSE PMT competition. I have got admission in a prestigious institution, Shivaji College, Nagpur. So the name of the college is also mentioned here. I want to share a few happy moments of my life in the company of my friends at a dinner in Hotel Sapphire at 8 p.m. on 18th May 2020. So date, time and venue, all the three things are given. Date, time and venue, that is Hotel Sapphire. So three things to be added. Please join the celebrations and merrymaking. We will have great fun over there. And then the ending of the letter, yours sincerely, Rohit. We can also write your friend, your, not yours, your friend. But if we are writing sincerely, we will write yours sincerely. Now, coming to the next letter, write a letter to your friend inviting him on the housewarming ceremony of your newly constructed house. Now, you are inaugurating the house. Again, starting with the address, sender's address, then date, thereafter subject is not required, then salutation, dear, and the name of the friend. I invite you at the housewarming ceremony of our newly constructed house in New Colony. The puja ceremony is on 25th May at 10 a.m. It will be followed by lunch at 1 p.m. Kindly do join us on this auspicious day. I'll introduce you to my parents and close relatives. So, venue is given New Colony, date and time. Thereafter, the ending of the letter, yours sincerely, and name. If name is given in the question, we will write the same name. Otherwise, you can write ABC, XYZ or any fake name in the form of letter. Now coming to the response, responding to invitation. Now actually informal invitation doesn't need reply, but sometimes it counts in etiquettes if we respond to the invitation. Now while giving the response, we can either accept the invitation or show the regrets. Now let's start with the accepting the invitation. You are Avi, Aarti. You have received a letter from your close friend inviting you to attend the marriage of his sister, but unfortunately you cannot attend it due to your previous commitments. Write him a letter regretting your inability to attend the marriage ceremony. Now you are unable to attend the marriage ceremony, so you have to write a letter to your friend. Now again beginning with the address, sender's address. Whosoever is writing the letter will write the address here. Thereafter date, then subject is not required, salutation, dear, name of the friend. Now first we are going to thank for the invitation, then we will tell whether we are accepting the invitation or we are declining it with the cause. If we are not able to attend the invitation, we have to give the cause also. Now let's start. I feel honored for being invited to attend the marriage of your elder sister, Ria. Please accept my congratulations. Unfortunately, due to some unavoidable previous commitments. Now, we are not telling the exact reason why we can't attend the wedding ceremony. So, we are giving the other reason that due to some unavoidable previous commitments, prior engagements, I shall not be able to attend the ceremony. Please do accept a small wedding gift that I am sending for Didi through courier on this auspicious occasion. You can also add here, convey my regards and best wishes to the couple. Now, ending part, yours sincerely, name. Whosoever is writing the letter will write the name here. Now, one last example of the responding the invitation. You have received an invitation from your aunt at Manali to spend some days during your summer vacation with her. Respond to this invitation. You are Madhav Manisha of 27 Patel Nagar, New Delhi. Now address is given in the question, so same address will be written here. 27 Patel Nagar, New Delhi. Then coming to the date, 14 May, comma. There is no need to put comma, rather by mistake it is there. So 14 May 2020. Then salutation, dear aunt. Thank you very much for inviting me to spend some days of my summer vacation with you at Manali. I will definitely visit and hope to reach Manali by the 5th June and stay there for a week. Pay my regards to uncle and love to Chutki. Then ending the letter, yours affectionately, Madhav or Manisha, whosoever is writing, because the names were mentioned at the top. You are Madhav, Manisha. The girls will write Manisha and the boys will write Madhav. So I hope how to write invitation letter and how to respond to the invitation, it is clear to you. Now soon I will send you the assignment based on this invitation and its reply. Thank you.